Finally, big breaking news is out. Deloitte just announced the junior analyst role. If you see here, this is junior analyst role and one more direct test opportunity. I want to tell you, Deccan AI and Delta X. These are direct test opportunity. Two role is there. You have to watch video till end because who is eligible, this is not mentioned in this website because यहाँ पे बैचेस वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. So financial crime investigator है, junior analyst role is there, Hyderabad location is there. If we scroll down, 0 to 3 year of hands-on experience in banking industry or financial service operation. These interpersonal skill is compulsory. Put in resume. MS Excel is compulsory. So if you see research or investigator skill is also compulsory. Put all these domain which is written here. And one more thing, BBA, BCom, BSc, BCA, BA and BBM degree is compulsory. Bangalore, Hyderabad, 2 location is there. If you see, this is the big thing. If you see that there is one job ID mentioned, you have to go to the LinkedIn, take referral from the employees of Deloitte because this is big opportunity. If you see that यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें मिल जाएंगी तुमको जो कि तुम्हें यहाँ पे मेंशन करनी होगी रेज्यूमे में. एंड मस्ट हैव स्किल, प्रोजेक्ट एक्सपीरियंस एंड सर्टिफिकेशन ऑल इफ यू हैव रिलेटेड टू बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री और related to banking industry or financial service, then you can easily put that domain in resume with interpersonal skills. And one more thing, these are compulsory, but who is eligible? All fresher up to 0 year of experience is needed. क्योंकि junior analyst का role है, then no experience is needed. 25, 24, 23 all can apply, but if you are a fresher, then only apply. In this hiring, there is not experienced candidates is eligible. Only fresher is eligible with 0 year of experience. But you have to do one thing, that you have to put all these domain to get the shortlisting mail. There is shortlisting. If you are not putting domain, then you will not even see the referral from the employees. क्योंकि referral भी तभी मिलेगा जब resume shortlist होगा. Take this, copy this ID, go to LinkedIn, take referral from the employees, send them with your personal email ID and updated resume and this job ID. That's it. Give these 3 things to the employee and take referral as soon as possible because this is limited time opportunity. If you did not even get the resume, then click here, apply now. Apply manually with updated resume. So direct test opportunity announced. Deccan AI just announced we are looking for video evaluation analysis. तो अब तुम यहाँ पे 2 चीज समझ लेना. पहले तो मैं ये समझा दूँ कि 1 month का प्रोबेशन डिग्री है with remote opportunity, 20,000 per month, joining from 9th of February, and online assessment is there in which a prompt writing yes or no evaluation is there, then interview if required. Means this is not compulsory. If you did well in online assessment, then maybe even they did not give you the interview mail. After online assessment they will send you the offer letter. क्योंकि यहाँ पे 1 month की प्रोजेक्ट ड्यूरेशन है जो कि एक्सटेंड भी होगी बेस्ड ऑन परफॉर्मेंस. बट 20,000 per month is a big thing. So if you see that these things is compulsory. First, interpersonal skill is compulsory which is written here. Second thing is step by step guidelines. मतलब evaluate video using step by step guideline, yes no question. बहुत easy, कुछ भी नहीं है ये, ठीक है. Compare reference video and generative video to identify difference. और बहुत सारी चीजें वो तो तुमको बहुत ईजी ये तुम्हें भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है. बट यहाँ पे समझो वीडियो एवोल्यूशन है, AI जनरेटिव वीडियो क्वालिटी एंड प्रॉम्प्ट एवोल्यूशन टास्क है और कुछ भी नहीं है. प्रॉम्प्ट लेके इमेज जनरेट करना, वीडियो जनरेट करना, यस नो क्वेश्चंस ऐसा कुछ वीडियो के फॉर्म में बनाना, ठीक है. तो ये बहुत ईजी होने वाला है. तो फॉर अप्लाइंग आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू दिस लिंक, जस्ट चेक दिस एंड टेक स्क्रीनशॉट फ्रॉम हियर. जस्ट सी दिस इज द पेज. यू कैन इजिली कॉपी दिस लिंक एंड पेस्ट इन गूगल. यू कैन इजिली रिडायरेक्ट टू दिस पेज, ठीक है. तो यहीं से जा सकते हो तुम, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बट यहाँ पे समझने की जरूरत है, ये वीडियो एवोल्यूशन एनालिस्ट इंटर्नशिप है. स्क्रॉल डाउन एंड चेक हु इज एलिजिबल. BTech, ME, MTech, BA, MA, PhD, MSc, BSc, doctorate, all is eligible. So if you are having any experience, click on yes. If not, click on no because absolutely for fresher है. Click on yes because remote opportunity starting from 9th of February. Immediate joining is then click on yes and give your updated resume and what is written here. Just watch video till end, ठीक है. Don't skip this part. Understand this thing. Describe your prior experience and same domain skill relevant to the role. AI data task, annotation, evaluation and or similar work. Please detail the nature of the work, tool used and key outcomes. तो ये उसके लिए होने वाला है. Even if you having 1 month, 1 day of internship experience, prior experience, you can easily give the detail in brief from here. But if you are an absolute fresher, then type NA like this and submit your form as soon as possible. This is big breaking opportunity coming from Deccan AI. If you are not applying, then you are doing a big mistake. 20,000 एक month के लिए बस नहीं मिल रहा है. Based on your performance, they will give you the full-time opportunity up to 5 to 6 LPA, because in 1 month internship they are providing you 20,000. Then think about this, in full-time opportunity what kind of package they will provide you. So please apply it as soon as possible. So Delta X just announced associate quality Azure engineer role. If you see your quality assurance role is there, Bangalore location is there, 3 LPA is the package, only fresher is eligible, 24-25 batch is eligible. So this is the Delta X company. If you see your location is multiple location, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट इंडिया की सारी लोकेशन दे दी इसने। तो यहाँ पे समझो 26, 25, 24, 23 बैचेस एलिजिबल, बी टेक, BSc, BCA, BA, BCom, BBA, BMS is eligible. And have you done any software testing course? Click on yes, no, whatever you want to give. You have to give the Google Drive link of your resume, updated resume. This is the thing you have to keep in mind. This is the hiring process of Delta X. ठीक है, यहाँ पे Delta X की ऑनलाइन assessment test 54 minutes is there, and offline assessment round to 2 hours 30 minutes. Then interview round will be there 45 minutes to 1 hour. Then they will provide you offer. There is 4 rounds, you can check. Please note the hiring process will take 2-3 days and each round is an elimination round. Only shortlisted candidate will move ahead with consecutive rounds. तो कीप इन माइंड यू हैव टू फिल दिस फॉर्म। मतलब जब तुम ये फॉर्म फिल करने जाओगे, जब नेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करोगे, देयर is one more section that you have to pick a date for the online assessment. Like timing is 11 AM to 12 PM, and please note test link will be sent on your email account on the selected date. So if you qualify the assessment round, the hiring team will be reached to you and schedule your interview, means assignment round, which will be offline assessment round. ठीक है, पहले तो यहाँ पे देखो कि ये 2 डेट दे दी गई है, 5th और 6th, tomorrow और day after tomorrow. Select 6th of February and practice as much as you can, because if you see Delta X है जिसमें क्वालिटी QA इंजीनियर का रोल है, ज़्यादा कुछ यहाँ पे मेंशन नहीं है, बट 3 LP इज द पैकेज, 24-25 बैच ओनली इज एलिजिबल। तो यहाँ पे जितने बैचेस लिखे मुझे नहीं लगता कि सारे एलिजिबल होंगे, ओनली 24-25 लिखा है, तो अप्लाई कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, 26 भी कर लो अगर दिया है तो। बट दीज डिग्रीज आर एलिजिबल एंड these are your 4 rounds. These are 4 rounds you have to keep in mind. So these are 4 rounds, keep in mind, and only 2 dates is there. Apply it as soon as possible, because ये आज close हो जाएगा. Today is the last date, because tomorrow is your test date. Then you can't apply because form open रहेगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि कल ही टेस्ट है. So today is the last date. Apply as soon as possible. Today is the last date. Apply it as soon as possible. Don't miss this opportunity. One more thing, keep in mind. First update your resume, because there is shortlisting. Only shortlisted कैंडिडेट विल मूव अहेड विद कॉन्सिक्यूटिव राउंड्स। ठीक है, तो शॉर्टलिस्टिंग है, अब तुम अपने क्यू इंजीनियर के जितने डोमेन होते हैं सब ऐड कर दो वहाँ पे। और डेकन में अगर तुम देखोगे वीडियो एवोल्यूशन एनालिस्ट में, तो बहुत ईजी, ये भी जाके अप्लाई करो इसके लिए। और डिलॉयट को तो मिस बिल्कुल नहीं करना है, टेक रेफर फॉर डिलॉयट जूनियर एनालिस्ट रोल, अप्लाइड एज सून एज पॉसिबल। 4.5 LP इज द पैकेज फॉर दिस हायरिंग, एंड काफी बढ़िया अपॉर्चुनिटी है। गो एंड वॉच प्रीवियस वीडियो विच आई ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड, बिग मास अपॉर्चुनिटी, अर्जेंट सुपर सेट हायरिंग। Like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.